Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can create and set up a Revolut under 18 account or Revolut Kids account for your kid. So let's get started. Now first off, once you open up your Revolut account, you will be on your default homepage. So from your homepage, just go ahead and tap on the More option right here. Now once this menu loads up, just go ahead and tap on Add Products and Accounts right here. Next up, you will be on the account screen. So from here, you should be able to see Kids and Teens account right here. So just go ahead and select that. And next up, you would need to input your child's details. So that being their first legal name and their last name, their date of birth, and their gender. So you can just tap on that and then select boy, for example. So let's go ahead and quickly fill in the rest. So it should look something like this, for example. Next up, once you inputted your child's info, just go ahead and tap on continue. And then you just need to confirm the legitimacy of this information. So you do that by just tapping I confirm that this is true information. And then lastly, you would just need to tap on create account right here. And essentially guys, that's how you can create and set up Revolut teens or under 18 account for your child using your Revolut app. Also, once you created that account, you can download the Revolut under 18 app on your child's phone and then just log in into your account there to connect those two accounts. But essentially, that's about it. Thank you for watching.